Morning children, welcome back to today's class. Today is the day 10 and session number 9. So far we have finished the chapter and we have written the first question answer as well as the fill in the blanks and all the bits, yes or no's, and the fun activity we have finished. Now we'll complete all the question answers today. And the homework is that we are writing 3 question answers. What are man-made things, name to man-made things, and what are the common features of all the living things? Why do plants make their own food? So these 3 questions we are going to write as the CW, and the same thing you have to write as the HW. By this we'll finish off this lesson. And many of the children are writing spelling mistakes. So please check the spellings while you are writing. Even things spelling also you are writing wrong. When I am writing on the board I am reading, no? So please read when you are writing. When you read and write, you cannot make any mistake. Make sure that parents please guide them when they are writing the homeworks, and they have to learn the every day's homework on that day itself. And I know that my board is not clear, so within 2 days I am going to make it proper. So please adjust for 2 days. The second question. What are man-made things? Name 2 man-made things. What are man-made things? Name 2 man-made things. You can see in the textbook also when I am writing on the board. What are man-made things? Name 2 man-made things. So what are man-made things? Things that are made by man are called man-made things. Things that are made by people. We'll write like this, okay? Things made by people. Things made by people are called man-made things. Things made by people are called man-made things. So they are asking name to them. So, example. What are the examples? What does the people made? They have made the aeroplane. You can write aeroplane. Okay. Ship. Rocket. Etc. You can write like car, bus, or anything like house. Even the house also made by people only, no? So all these things are made by the people. So example, your wish. Whatever you want to write, you can write. Just for your understanding, I have written only 3. And yesterday also we have one doubt. What are natural things? Give example. I have said that things that are made in nature are called natural things. But you can write things that are made by nature. So in textbook they have given in nature, but the right answer is that things made by nature are called natural things. So nature itself has prepared, no, like the nature itself had made the sun, moon and all. So it is made by the nature. So we are writing things made by nature are called natural things. Okay, in textbook they have given in nature and you have written like that, no problem. But for some students they are having doubt, for that's why I am making a clarification. Here also aeroplane, ship, rocket is simply I have written, but you have to write by your own words. What are those examples? What are the people made? Like example, we have not made the sky and the sun. So what we have made? So think by yourself and you have to write. So once again I am reading the question. Look at the board. What are man-made things? Name 2 man-made things. Things made by people are called man-made things. Example, aeroplane, ship, rocket, etc. Second question. What are the common features in all living things? So what are the all common features in living things? All living things will grow, all living things will move, all living things will reproduce, all living things will feel. So these are the common features. Okay, now write all living things move, grow, feel, breathe and reproduce. So what are the common features in all living things? All living things move, grow, feel, breathe and reproduce. This is the common feature that is having all the living things. And non-living things does not feel, does not move, does not grow and does not reproduce. Now we'll write the third question. So this is the third question. Now fourth question. What is the fourth question, ma'am? Why do plants make their own food? Here you can add eat also. I forgot to write eat. Here you add eat and reproduce. Okay. Next question. Why do plants make their own food? Why do plants make their own food? This is very important question. Why do plants make their own food? Because they are having the green pigment called chlorophyll in the leaf. So because of the chlorophyll, they are able to prepare their own food with the help of the sunlight and the carbon dioxide. Okay. Plants contain chlorophyll in their leaves. So plants make their own food. Okay, this is not very big, it's very easy answer. If you elaborate, it will become very big, but I am not elaborating it. Why do plants make their own food? Plants contain chlorophyll in their leaves. So, plants make their own food. Have a close look and write neatly. Your handwriting must be very neat. And spellings also, please check the spellings when you are writing. So, all this, now we have written 3 question answers, right? These 3 question answers you have to write as homework one time. CW one time and HW one time with a neat handwriting and check the spellings. What are the common features in all living things? All living things move, grow, feel, breathe, eat and reproduce. Why do plants make their own food? Plants contain chlorophyll in their leaves. So, plants make their own food. This is all now for children. We have finished the chapter, question answers and everything. So, go through the question answers and the chapter. Then next session we are going to start the new lesson. Thank you.